Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. So it's a pretty easy task you can just do. So make sure you follow the steps I'm going to show you and don't skip the video so you don't miss any step. So let's head over to your Instagram application first. So once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. So I'm in here. I'm in here in my account. I'm heading over to my story section. And in here, if I just go for a video, suppose I'm just heading over to a picture. So I'm just going to this one. So there are some ways. The first way is you can just click on a picture, select it, and then go to the sticker section on the top. And here you'll find the option of photo. Here you can just add any photo you want. From here, you can also tap on it to make it in different sizes. So you can add them as much as you want by going to stickers, then photo, then locate the picture. So yeah, this is the first one you can try. And the second one is you can go to this camera option right here. From here, go to layout. Now select the layout of which you want to add. Like if you want 4 photos in a frame together, you can just select this one. If 2 photos, you can select this one. If 6, you can select this one. There are 3 and 2 photos selection is also available. So I'm just selecting these 2 photos option. So for the first photo, you have to go to the lower left corner and select a photo. And here it is selected. You can also make it smaller or larger according to your wish. And for the second photo, then go to this plus icon on the lower left corner and add your photo you want to add. So suppose I'm adding this one. And once you're done with it, just click on the tick mark. And then you can add your music or whatever you want. And once you are done with it, you can also add a text if you want to add or any stickers or GIFs or any location, whatever you need according to your taste. And once you're okay with it, you can post it on your close friend story or on your main story. So yeah, this is the way with which you can add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.